mga tel! Welcome to another episode of Do It with Shayne. And for today's episode, we are going to test a product na, oh my God, nabili ko na naman sa Lazada. Ano ba ako? Super crazy, no? Naitriga lang talaga ako sa product na to. Kasi una, nakita ko yung pareho niyang product sa Facebook. Nakita ko sa Facebook, medyo mahal siya. Nakakita ako ng medyo mura sa Lazada. No, I think this is SHOPEE. Yeah. From SHOPEE. Yeah. Nalilito na ako kung saan ko siya binibili. So, ano po ba itong pinagsasabi ko na product? This one is the magnetic eyeliner eyelash suit. First time kong maka-encounter and first time kong mag-try ng ganitong klase ng product. So, this one is false eyelashes, pero yung kanyang eyeliner or liquid eyeliner na kasama is parang may magnet siya. As per the videos that I've seen here, madali siyang i-apply. I-appreciate muna natin yung box. Ano yung box niya sa harapan? So, very simple ang box. Nakaka-social siyang tignan, di ba? Matte black with a detail of light pink. It says here, the brand Magnetic Eyeliner Eyelash Suit. And then, sa baba is their tagline. It says, beauty belongs to you. It belongs to me. Yes! Pa! Ganon! And sa likod naman, very straightforward siya. So sa taas, again, the brand is Magnetic Eyeliner Eyelash Suit. Sa baba nun, makikita mo yung inclusion. Ang inclusion daw niya is magnetic eyelashes, magnetic eyeliner fluid, eyelashes with special tools, and then the usage method. Strictly, follow ulit natin to ngayon. Walang nakalagay kung ano ang manufacturer nitong product na to or kung saan siya ginawa. So, let's open the product. Tingnan na natin. Medyo na-excite ako. By the way, yung thickness ng eyelash or ng falsies nito is pwede mo ring piliin. I chose the thickness ng number 2. So, hindi siya ganun kakapal, hindi rin siya ganun kanipes, and hopefully, it's nice also sa aking eyes. So, let's open this! Okay! So, ano ang meron? Meron siyang 3 pairs ng magnetic eyelashes. Meron din siyang magnetic eyeliner liquid, and also the eyelashes with special tools. So, let's start! Oh my God, I'm so excited! So, ang sabi dito, shake the magnetic eyeliner 10 to 20 times. I will shake this for 20 seconds na lang. Kasi mabilis mo yung shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try it ng ganitong side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try it ng ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kung hindi pa ito na-shake, ewan ko na lang. And then after that, apply the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelids and wait a minute for it to dry out. Now, ano po? Meron na akong makeup na in-apply. Of course, when you are applying false eyelashes, you have to make sure that the eye makeup is already prepped. Walang nakalagay dito na kung i-apply natin siya, dapat wala kang makeup, at wala rin nakalagay dito na kung i-apply natin siya, naka-prep na or naka-makeup ka na. So, in my case, I am using this product as an added makeup sa aking existing makeup na. So, let's try to see kung gagana siya. And eto na naman ako. Gumagamit na naman ako ng mga produkto sa mata ko. Bahala kayo dyan pag ako nagkaroon ng something sa mata ko. Meron siyang scent na slight lang, hindi chemical yung scent niya, pero hindi rin perfume. So here's what we're going to do. Alam ko na. To test it, we're gonna get 1 eyelash and we'll try to put the liquid liner here and then we'll try to magnetize it. Just tingnan na lang natin kung didikit ba talaga. Ito siya. So this is the eyelash. Tingnan lang natin. Guys, gumana! Gumana siya. Dumikit siya. At saka, oh my God! Pag nadikit siya, Hindi siya basta-basta natatanggal, guys. Oh my God. I think this is very promising. So, let's try it now sa aking eyelash talaga. I don't know if you can see this, but yung pinaka-eyelash niya, meron siyang parang specks of parang magnet na maliliit doon mismo sa loob. Ito yung dumidikit doon sa liquid eyeliner. So, let's see kung gagana ba siya sa aking mata. Oh my God. Meron na akong existing eyeliner. Let's try to put it on top. So, I'll try to use it here. I will try to pretty much stay close as always on my lashes. Do I need to wait for it to dry or set? I'm not sure. Dumidikit din siya sa ano ko. Totoong lashes ko. Baka mami magka-problema kapag apply. Oh my God. Natatakot ako talaga. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. And then, let's get the lashes. Try to put it like so. Dikit ko lang siya doon. There! Here it is! Gumana siya! Gumana, te! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow! Wow! How about on the other side? Tingnan natin. Dapat ang ilalagay mo is close to the lash line. Medyo dry lang natin ng konti. Then, patong na natin. Wow! I like it! I really like it! As in, oh my God! This product is a miracle! Yeah! Grabe! Wow! Ganun lang kadali? As in? Let's test this. Kasi, di ba, ang nakakatakot sa mga falsies ngayon is kapag nawala yung dikit niya, adhesive. Let's try to pull the falsies. Tingnan natin kung madali ba siyang mapupull. Okay? So, let's try. Hindi, mga bes. Once nakalagay yung magnet, hindi. Ayan o, tingnan nyo, napupull ko na yung buong ano ko o. Wow. Let's try to give my verdict on the magnetic eyeliner eyelash suit. Right off the bat, with the price point, ang price niya is 279 pesos with shipping fee na po yun. I ordered it from Shopee. I will put down the link of the seller na mura siya. Diba? What I saw on Facebook is mga nasa 800 plus, less shipping fee pa yon. The innovation of this product is magnetic, meaning to say you don't need to use an adhesive just to make sure na mapilit or madikit yung product sa eyelash mo. Yung mismong eyeliner, which is also good because it's in black, I always use black eyeliner, is magnetic. So pag apply mo ng eyeliner, pwede mo na siyang idikit agad without any hassle. The package includes an applicator, which is good, with 6 lashes at 279 pesos, with a pitch black eyeliner, which is innovative because it's magnetic. 279 pesos, pasok sa banga, te. Pasok na pasok sa banga. Now, another thing is, when it comes to the application itself of the product, dito sa bandang, eto na to, itong matang to, medyo naglisod. Ano bang yun? Nahirapan ako ng konti because syempre, first time ng application, mangangapa ka talaga kung paano mo siya i-apply. But, after kong makuha yung tamang pag-apply on the other side of my lash, pag ganun ko, wow! Pasok na agad siya sa banga, 'di ba? As in, madali talaga siyang i-apply, which is really good. Even though it's magnetic, nakita mo naman kanina, pinul ko yung eyelashes or yung falsies, hindi siya natanggal agad-agad. If you will pull this pa ganon, madali lang mo lang siyang matatanggal, no hassle at all. Is this washable and reusable? Yes, the false eyelashes are washable and reusable. You don't need to set, actually. You don't need, because in falsies, you really have to make sure that the glue is already tacky before you apply it. To be honest, nahihirapan talaga akong mag-apply ng mga falsies because hindi ko makuha yung tamang timpla and tamang timing on when to dikit the false eyelashes sa mata ko. But this one, you don't need to set it. You don't need to wait for it to be tacky, for the eyeliner to be tacky. You just put it right away. Madaling mag-set yung eyeliner. Dikit na agad siya, and it's very, very easy to use. So, final verdict, will I use it again? Of course! Of course, I'm gonna gonna use it again and again and again and again. I really am excited. Because ngayon lang talaga ako naka-experience ng ganitong beauty product na sobrang easy to apply, easy to manipulate. It's very innovative. Bago to. Diba? I don't know if matagal na to sa market, matagal nyo itong ginagamit, but for me, it's very bago, it's very new. And try it. Because it's really lovely. It's really nice. It's really good. Diba? Oh my God, ang swerte ko, nakakita ko ng ganitong product. A miracle sa aking eyelashes. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like the video. If you do have any product in mind na you want me to review and you want me to give my feedback on, please don't hesitate to put your comment or the product down below. We will try to find out where we can order it, and we will try to schedule a product review video for that product request. I hope to see you on my next episode here on my channel, Do It with Shayne. Keep on rocking. Bye!